Hey everyone, welcome to Nutriologgy. Today we are going to talk about creatine and its benefits. Creatine is a popular supplement among athletes and fitness enthusiasts, but what exactly is it and what are its benefits? Let's dive in. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound that is found in meat and fish. It is also produced by our bodies and stored in our muscles, where it helps to produce energy during high-intensity exercise. Creatine supplements are widely used by athletes and fitness enthusiasts to boost their performance and increase muscle mass. So what are the benefits of creatine supplementation? Number 1. Increased muscle strength and power. Creatine is perhaps best known for its ability to increase muscle strength and power. Several studies have shown that creatine supplementation can improve performance in high-intensity, short-duration exercises like weightlifting and sprinting. By increasing the amount of creatine in our muscles, we are able to produce more energy during these exercises, which can translate into increased strength and power. Number 2 benefit is improved endurance. Creatine supplementation may also improve endurance, particularly in exercises that require repeated bouts of high-intensity activity. By increasing the amount of creatine in our muscles, we are able to produce more energy over a longer period of time, which can help us to perform better in endurance exercises like running or cycling. Creatine supplementation may also increase muscle size, particularly in combination with resistance training. By increasing the amount of water in our muscles, creatine can make them appear fuller and more voluminous, which can give us a more muscular appearance. Additionally, creatine may also stimulate the growth of new muscle tissue, which can lead to increased muscle size over time. Creatine may also have benefits for our brain function. Several studies have shown that creatine supplementation can improve cognitive function, particularly in tasks that require quick thinking and decision making. Additionally, creatine may also have neuroprotective effects which can help to protect our brain cells from damage. Finally, reduced fatigue. Creatine supplementation may help to reduce fatigue, particularly during high-intensity exercise. By increasing the amount of creatine in our muscles, we are able to produce more energy, which can help us to push through fatigue and perform at a higher level. So those are the 5 benefits of creatine supplementation. Of course, as with any supplement, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting to take creatine, particularly if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking any medications. Additionally, it's important to follow the recommended dosage and not to exceed it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. See you in the next one. Toodles!